Hi guys, I'm Phalak and I'm here in collaboration with Cossouq. So I'm going to be showing you two different looks which you can wear during the New Year's, and the first one that I'm going to be showing you will be the classic bold lip and winged liner look. The second one is this look, which is the over the top sequence look. I'm going to be showing you all these looks and I'm going to be showing you the products that I used during the video, so keep on watching. Firstly, for the bold lip winged eyeliner look, I'm going to be using this very beautiful Peri Pera Beautiful Rose palette, and I'm going to use this beautiful dusty pink color all over the lid. Next up, I would deepen the crease using this very beautiful olive color from the same palette. This color would help to deepen the crease even more. Finally, would use this beautiful pink shimmer on the inner corners. This little step would help to pop the eye a bit more. Then I'm going to be using the Inglot liner in number 77 and draw a classic wing. Also, I will use the Peri Pera Ink Air Velvet 04 on the cheeks for that rosy look. This product helps you to give very youthful color to your cheeks. I love it. Finally, using the Sugar's Matte as Hell crayon in Scarlet O'Hara and finishing the look. This reminds me of a Parisian New Year's look. Don't you think so? I just love how it is classic yet very stylish. You can adorn this look this New Year's if you're a classic makeup lover gal. Now, moving on to the OTT look, I'll be using this palette Oh Honey from Nikake and using this transition color to slightly set the lid and give it some color. Then I'll be using the same Inglot Kajal and draw a graphic liner using it. It is the hero of this look, just by the way. Moving on, I'm going to be using the gold eyeshadow from the same Nikake palette and I'm going to fill the whole lid space with it. This would give it a foiled look, which I absolutely love. And then I'm going to be adding a few rhinestones to elevate the New Year's spirit. Then I will coat my lashes with the Lakme Iconic Mascara. This mascara would provide volume to my lashes. Moving on, for the face, I'd lastly use the Peri Pera V shading to bronze my face. And then for my lips, I'll use the C2P's Tranquil Brown shade on the lips. I will keep the lips a bit mute because the eyes are very heavy and star of this. Finally, putting on the Rennie lashes in Ash the Fiery One, I'll complete the whole OTT look. I hope you liked both the looks, and if you did, then let me know in the comments for sure. Take care. Bye.